my people, we have a testimony. Testimony. This is not the first time I'm receiving a testimony on this channel about investments, but this one is loud. This one is so shaking. It's shaking the building. You know why? It's from a prodigal son. Yes, I think I'm the only one that's allowed to call him a prodigal son. You see these FGN bonds? I am sure that more testimonies are coming in. This is just the subscription. If you have been following, you will know that this week was the subscription week for April FGN bonds. So yeah, everybody has been busy trying to beat the deadline. Even some people were telling me, oh, I missed out on this one. My stockbroker did this, my stockbroker did that. Anyway, that's by the way. Let me read this message for you guys so that you guys will follow me see. Hey, follow me see. This is a prodigal son that we've lost to the Obodo investment market, but he has come back. You made me go and buy FGN bonds. I never even considered this or any investments in Nigerian market. Me and my inflation mouth now own FGN bonds. And I intend to buy every month for 1 year. This is the FGN bonds earning machine. Like this one is triple. You know, that one I did was like 3 months, but he wants to do it for a year. Because I tell you, it's the earnings machine that you need in your life. The compounding figures on my spreadsheet convinced me. I hope I don't regret it. Thanks, Flo. I was reading this. I was cleaning my eyes to make sure that this comment is coming from this very first, this very same. I don't even know what I'm saying again. I was reading this and checking the name again to make sure that, you know, sometimes YouTube just gets the comments mixed up. And I was doing like this, refreshing to make sure that it's coming from this very person. You see this thing he said about spreadsheet? Spreadsheet is the truth. If you watch my advantages of FGM bonds video, because you know what you'll be getting even before you invest, you can sit down, put it in your spreadsheet, and the results will be there. I'm telling you, the results will come out. Like you will see, this is seeing is believing. As always, if you want to download this spreadsheet, I have the links below to the 2 spreadsheets I have available for download. Click it. Yeah, it's very easy to download it so that you can sit in your home and be calculating these earning, these testimonial earnings. I love healthy arguments. I like a situation where I say something and people challenge it. If I say something and people swallow it hook, line, and sinker, it's boring. I can as well be talking to myself. Why would I be uploading these videos? I mean, my children are already used to me talking to myself in the bathroom. They no longer ask me, Mommy, who are you talking to? I opened this channel so that I can be releasing the voices in my head. And when I release those voices, I want people to challenge it in a healthy way. I want people that are genuinely ready to learn and asking the right questions. And 2, people who are experienced and coming with the right, you know, there's a kind of healthy argument that people come with like I always say, come correct. Don't just, if you want to argue about something, don't come with daft arguments. It wastes my time. I'm a very busy woman. I'll read paragraphs upon paragraphs and it's just a waste of time, complete waste of time. I'll prefer that in that case, watch from the sidelines. Stop wasting everybody's time reading empty comments. Some people come here with, you support this, you support that, you support this government, you don't support it. That's rubbish. Everything you see me say or hear me say, see and hear me say on this channel is what ewu na okoko. In Igbo land we say, even ewu na okoko know this thing. Like what something that is a no-brainer. You see it, you hear it happening all around you. If I come here to say it, to have a conversation, you come and be arguing with that. You can't argue with data, okay? No matter who you support, if you see that something is not going in the right direction, say it. AIT is an example of the kind of arguments I like on this channel. He came, he was firing from all angles. Firing, telling me inflation. I understood where he's coming from. Because this inflation is what all these so-called financial gurus use to confuse you. Once they mention inflation, you see, they tell you this is not a good investment. But based on that video I made clearing the inflation point, go and watch that video. Actually, AIT made me make that video, and that video, as soon as I uploaded it, a lot of people that were still on the fence, if you see my inbox that day, that's why some of you at some point were like coming to the comment section, Flo, have you seen my email? Have you seen my email? That video that I made about inflation, clearing the effect of inflation on your investments, is what tipped a lot of people over. And then I made the advantages video. Oh my God, a lot of people were singing. In fact, the reason why a lot of people held out a bit was at the end of that video, I left a cliffhanger, as what somebody called it. I left a cliffhanger about my disadvantages. And when I uploaded the disadvantage video, some people were like, is this the disadvantage? Not today. That they are sold. This FGM bonds is, I don't know any other better set it and forget it kind of investment. Look at what AIT is saying. The compounding figures on my spreadsheet convinced me. Like, you need that spreadsheet in your life. Go and download it. I know that in spite of all these explanations, in spite of all the detailed videos that I put out, a lot of people are still afraid to make a move. I was there before. I was afraid of getting it wrong. If in spite of all these videos, everything, I'm here. That's why I'm here. Yeah, come to me. I have a paid service, paid consultation. You have to pay for my time because, you know, these back and forth guiding you and all that takes time. Yeah, come to me. I'm here. My email address is always in the description box below. Yeah, send me an email detailing what you need from me, and we'll take it from there. Okay? And once you make your first investment, you're in. You can do, like, you can come like this and make any other investment you want to make, because the truth is that it's rinse and repeat. Once you've done it once, you've done them all. And then I'll set you free, just like Igbo apprenticeship system. You come, you learn work with factory money, and then I made you free. You go from one boy and one other to your own person, investment guru. These people should not mind me. Oh, I'm just having fun, because this comment made my day. Like, it made my day. Like, look at how he went from never considering investing in Nigerian market to coming for my neck. He was pressing my neck hard. He made me sit back and, you know, question my belief in this FGM bonds, like a belief I had for many years. This guy shook that belief. Oh my God. And then now he went to his spreadsheet. Spreadsheet is the truth. It's the data you need. Spreadsheet convinced him. You see, this is someone that is experienced in investing. He didn't even need my service. He went straight for it. He met the deadline. This month's deadline was so sudden. 1st of April was a public holiday on a Monday. I was surprised. I was even saying that, oh, this week is a short week because of the Monday, Easter Monday, that was a public holiday, that probably this subscription will come out from next week. But lo and behold, it came out on the 1st. And now, here we are. If you missed out this month's own, there's another one next month, yeah, because some people were already asking me, is that it for the year? Is there another opportunity? There's an opportunity every single month. Every single month, they will bring out subscription terms. If you look at the interest rate, if it's enticing enough for you, you can invest. But if you're trying to set up an earnings machine like our brother here, sometimes even if it reduces by 1%, you still invest, because you know within you what you're setting up. Yeah, you don't want to miss out on that streak because of just 1% less. But to be honest, in these perilous times that we are in Nigeria, the interest rate can only go up. I am not a soothsayer, but you guys can see that my predictions are coming to pass. In one of my videos, I was predicting 18% was it for June or something like that? Because I was trying to set up the earnings machine. I was even predicting for later down the line. But look at that, 80% happened so soon, sooner than I expected. So I need to open a church. And our brother, you need to be paying your tithes. When they start paying you, okay, April, May, June, July. In July, the first coupon drops. You need to start paying your 10% tithes to me. No, this warms my heart. Like, I wish that everybody in Nigeria will be an investor, because when you become an investor, you have financial knowledge, like personal finance 101. You know why all these people from developed countries, or even Nigerians that live in developed countries, are better than Nigerians that live in Nigeria? It's because in developed country, we run our lives like a business. You have to keep your credit history in order. You have to keep your, like, the way companies see you, because everything here, before you can buy a house, you have to have a good credit history. Before you can buy a car on credit, you have to have a good credit history. A lot of things are tied to your credit history, and credit history is about personal finance. So a lot of people strive to keep their finance, their personal finance in order. So that makes people more knowledgeable about finance more than the people in Nigeria. We run a cash economy in Nigeria, so people are not bothered about keeping their financial books, their personal financial books in order. They don't know all these things, and that eventually affects the kind of leadership we have. If people have this financial knowledge, personal finance knowledge, they will think twice before voting someone into office. They will think about who will protect their investments in Nigeria. They will think about who will protect their financial lives in Nigeria when voting, not because the person has answers the same name as them, or the person comes from the same region as them, or they just like the person. Because some people, if you ask them, why are you voting this person? They don't know. They don't have a strong reason why they are voting the person. Some people are even voting because somebody else said they should vote. Somebody that they respect on social media said they should vote for this person. So that's the thing. That's why those in developed countries, they can choose leaders, better leaders, more than we can do. They make sure that they vote for people that will protect their interests, not somebody that has no clue what they're doing. Okay? So it warms my heart when I receive these kinds of messages. When I turn even one person to an investor, the more investors we have in Nigeria, the more financially knowledgeable people we have in Nigeria, the better decisions we'll make when choosing our leaders in Nigeria. Okay? So keep it coming, guys. Keep it coming. I'm so happy. So anyway, that's the good news I came to spread here today. I said that I'm going to rest today. No video upload, because I just came back from this fast week of FGM bonds investment. A lot of people want to get in. If you didn't get in this time, make sure that you set yourself up to jump in first week of May. Yeah. Now you have to be prepared for first week of the month, because this month surprised me how early they released it. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a huge thumbs up. Let's get it in the thousands, and share it with your friends. Let them come and join our community where we discuss financial matters that concern us as Nigerians. Bye bye. See you soon.